How do you design an L-shaped bar? In this video, I'll demonstrate how design guidelines dictate where to place the bar opening depends on the handling and cleaning of bar service glassware. Coming up. Hey, Rick Usbell again from Cabaret Design Group, where I share my personal ideas and tips on bar design, draft beer system design, and product reviews. Later in this video, I'll give you today's takeaway. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and check out the show notes and links in the YouTube description below. Now let's jump into the show.
Space planning is the first step in commercial bar design, whether the application is for restaurants, hotels, country club, you name it. How to design an L-shaped bar is more dependent on the available space than any other factor. The first rule in bar design is that glassware flows from left to right so that when standing behind the bartender will always have clean glasses immediately to his or her left and soiled glasses to the left of that. Drink making, the next step in the process, follows the same clockwise flow. Therefore, the handling and cleaning of bar service glassware is the first step in the drink making process. This means that the return leg of the L-shaped bar is normally placed at the left end, as shown here, as the bartender is standing with his or her back to the back bar wall. In the L-shaped bar shown here, the bartending process works like this. 1. The soiled glassware is returned by the waitstaff in tubs and accumulated in the underbar glass rack, designated here as RT, and shown in this photo. Number 2. As the bartender has time, he or she will remove each tub and set it in the corner drain board and begin to remove the individual glasses where they are emptied into the dump sink, designated here as DS, rinsed and then washed, rinsed, and sanitized in the 3-bin sink, shown here. Number 3, upon completion, the glasses are placed in racks and stored in other glass racks, designated here as GS, where they will be available for making the next batch of drinks. For L-shaped bars, the bar service gate or bar opening should be located at the end opposite of the bar from the return leg, as shown here. There are other layout options available for how to configure the bar equipment on the return leg. Another opening could be placed on the return leg, as shown in this alternate example, but the bar would have to be lengthened by 24 inches and one seat would be lost. A pair of hinge gates is the only viable option for securing that end of the bar. The best option for optimal bar design for the return leg is shown in this second example, where a 45-degree corner creates a unique seating arrangement that so many patrons love.
In commercial bar design, we normally recommend automatic glass washers in lieu of 3-bin sinks, as they save at least 3 feet and are much more efficient and produce much safer and cleaner glassware. See you next time.